Hello friends, today we are making this nice and easy heart cord. It is a step-by-step beginner friendly tutorial. You can use it as a lace, bookmark, headband or friendship band. I hope you will like it. So let's start the video. I have 2.5 mm hook size. Make slip knot. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, make double crochet in first chain, to make a ring, chain 3, turn your work, now make 7 treble crochet in this ring, 7 treble crochet in this ring. We will not finish it. We will keep this last chain inside until we finished our 7 treble crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 treble crochet, 5, 6, 7. This is the last one. It is in the one side of the ring. This is our first chain from the chains. Now we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 treble crochet. This is our first chain. We will cut off just one chain, and now we will go down and we will cut off 2 chains like this. Take 2 chains together, and last 2 chains together. This is the half side of your work. In the end we have 2 chains. Keep it little loose and turn your work. Now we will make 7 treble crochet in the other side of this first 3 chains. Make again 7 treble crochet in the other side. We have already 2 chains inside. This is our first treble crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and treble crochet, 7. We had already 2 chains, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 treble crochet in the other side. Now we will cut down. At first we cut down 1 chain, next 2 chains, again 2 chains till the end, and this time we have our first 2 chains, last 1 chain, and we will cut it together like this. This is our first heart shape. Again chain 3, chain 3, and make double crochet. Here we have a loop inside. We take it from this loop and make double crochet like this to make another loop, chain 3, and turn. Now start to make treble crochet, again 7 treble crochet in this loop, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last treble crochet, 7. We have already 1 chain here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 treble crochet. We have made it at this side, so we will cut off from the first chain. Next we take 2 loops together, and the last we have 2 chains left. Keep it little loose and turn it your work like this and start to make 7 treble crochet again in this loop. Follow the same steps. Already we have 2 chains here. This is our first treble crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and the last treble crochet. This is the last one. Now we will cut it off and we'll go down, cut the first 1 chain, then again cut the 2 chains together, in the end we have our last 3 chains and we will cut it all together like this. We have made our 2 heart shapes cord. You can make it as long as you like. In the end you just need to chain 1, lock, cut the yarn and fix the extra inside with the help of the needle. Same as this side, fix it inside and your heart shape cord is ready like this. If you like it, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. For more videos, visit my playlist Crochet Tutorials. Till the next video, bye.